Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley if you're tuning in for the first time. Today I've teamed up with Hairvivi to bring you this beautiful start to finish install. We're going to be doing a wig install, and what's cool about this one is that this is a new technology of lace. Now I know you're thinking there's always a new lace, what's so special about this one? This one is called water lace, and what's cool about this one is normal lace is about 0.2 millimeters thick. With this one it is, I believe, but with this one it is about 0.13 millimeters, so it's literally almost half as thin or thick as the normal lace. So it's gonna lay on the head and be more comfortable. It's gonna melt like a dream and just look the absolute best. So if you are interested in seeing how we installed this video, seeing how we cut the lace, and just seeing how well it melts straight out the bat, keep on watching.
You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. You're losing your patience, I already have. Don't try to change me, I'm just the way I am. Don't try to save me, cause I can't be saved. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm no good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other friends. Calling each other friends. Don't try to please me, not sure that you can. Don't get me started, babe, cause this is the end. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm no good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends.
Yeah. Acted kinda innocent this morning. You don't wanna talk it out. I agree the talking feels pointless. Still it happens every night. You know that I need ya, but I'm so sick of this, not sure I can leave ya. It'd be so hard to quit, but every night that we explode, wish I could walk out that door. Hate that I need ya. Play it cool, just keep on dancing. Soon we'll burn down into ashes, cause you keep playing with matches. Hate that I want you. Running out of second chances. Ooh, oh, you keep taking me for granted. Ooh, oh, cause I don't wanna do this any longer, but somehow it's too hard to walk away now. Light a cigarette like you know nothing. It's the price I have to pay. There's something in your text that's got me crawling. Not sure I want it any other way. You know what I mean, love? Now aren't you sick of this? You don't wanna leave us. It'd be too hard to leave out on all the nights we keep fighting in the taxi. I hate that I need you. Hate that I need you.
Hey, popping like I'm supposed to. Watch out for the people that ain't close to. Speak a little something you could toast to. I ain't tryna hear about what you won't do. Moving like I'm into. Hit the ground running like the rent do. Speak a little something that you're into. I ain't tryna hear about what you been through. Like hold up, say what's the hold up. I got the pack who got got the roll up. I'm tryna pull up. It seem like every time I show up, it gotta go up. See the drip, they see the glow up. Oh, now they know us. See, it's funny how my pockets out of shape, but I fit for the flex. Clear the phone call, hit my chick with a text. Parlay through the bird with my drip from the jets. Save a couple hundred by your with the rest. I prefer my reefer with Henny and Coke. Please don't be stingy, got plenty to smoke. Show up and act up and back to the crib. I do not stun, I just rap what I live. Seem like they doing the most for the clout. Did what I said so they know what I'm about. Show up and act up and back to the crib. I do not stun, I just rap what I live. Hey, winning like I ought to. I ain't wanna do it, but I got to. Smoking what my doctor told me not to. Got these wishing they was hot too. Ballin' like I need to.
So you need a little break, huh? Boy, say you need a little space, yeah. Boy, is it 'cause you can't be faithful? Boy, hope she's cool, unlike you. You ain't ready for a girlfriend, no. 'Cause you think I'll steal your weekends, no. So you make up shitty reasons for want it out. See, I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you. I was pretty when I met ya, now I'm prettier than ever, took a second to forget you, boy.
Okay, I think we're good to go. Oh, and now the camera is gonna die, the battery. Here we go. Wanted to show you guys the packaging. So this is the box that the wig came in, and as always, this is the dust bag that the wig was inside of, and it just has the HV for Hairvivi. Big dust bag had the wig in it. The small dust bag included just a couple of goodies. You got your edge brush. Black is always clean and sleek. And then, 2 matte black dolphin clips. You guys seen how beautiful and easy it was to cut the lace on this one, and how seamless and undetectable it is. I did opt for no baby hair, but I did go ahead and do the sideburns. Sometimes I just crave that, and I feel like it just brings it together, and then there are times when I just feel like it's not necessary for maintenance or like easy reinstall to keep up with it. It's so much easier not to have baby hair and to not have sideburns, but at the same time, sometimes you just want it and you crave it. So as I mentioned, this one is from Hairvivi. One cool thing about this one is that this is their water lace, and what makes this lace so amazing is that it's very light and thin, which means it's gonna melt and blend into the skin so much better. The color on it was amazing. I did go ahead and add my own powder, because you guys know, just after you go ahead and install, a lot of times your spray or your adhesive leaves a little bit of a white cast. Sometimes it makes it a little bit crunchy, so just adding your own like powder or lace tint just kind of brings it home. So some really cool specs about this one is that the hairline is pre-plucked, pre-bleached knots and clean bleached frontal, pre-sewn elastic band, and pre-sewn piano keys elastic band. So just for reference, most lace is about 0.2 millimeters, and then water lace is 0.13. So they pretty much came up with this technology to literally cut the lace almost in half, and again, that's just gonna make it sit on the hairline and blend and melt. Super, super undetectable. You're not gonna see that thick band there as you would with others. Again, it's all about melting it down and blending it in, and of course this helps. You guys know, you see me work with Hairvivi often, and you guys always love when I work with them because they have literally some of the best hair on the market. Now, not every company can have the best hair. A lot of companies have great hair, but I just feel like the entire experience with Hairvivi from start to finish always sets the bar in my book. The color on this one is beautiful, and it, you know, brown girl friendly, blends with my skin amazing. So go ahead and check out Hairvivi. This one is a great option if you are in the market for something with a little fun color. If not, they do definitely have options with natural color and different textures, so you can play around with that. And you can also check my channel for all of the videos that I've done with this company, just to see the range of different hair and lace and, you know, textures and all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go from here. Be sure to subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you again in tomorrow's video. Smooches.